Speedstar 840列車今年有一個全新嘅突破，因為我哋已經衝出地球，進入太空，而各位乘客亦都搖身一變成為咗 astronauts 小小航天員。而喺我哋嘅太空船裏邊，亦都有新增嘅規矩，每位航天員都必須要遵守。但係只要你努力盡上自己該盡嘅本分，例如每日準時進入太空艙，每月交齊所委派你嘅任務，就可以獲加操行分，得到更多嘅獎勵。只不過，如果你未能盡上你嘅責任，就必須要承擔返相應嘅後果。透過呢個可加可減嘅機制，鼓勵每位航天員都為自己訂立目標，盡上你嘅本分，為自己爭取更好嘅表現。另外，各位小小航天員都應該會發現到，喺我哋嘅太空船每一個角落裏邊，都設置咗 V9000呢個系統，方便大家隨時隨地溫習同埋自學英文。因為喺我哋嘅太空船嘅裏邊，我哋鼓勵你用英文去溝通，亦都請你善用呢個 V9000嘅系統裝備同埋提升你嘅英文能力。啊！今日喺我哋嘅太空船裏邊，我見到一件好特別嘅事情。我而家就要去揾下呢個咁特別嘅人究竟係邊一位？Hey, who are you? What are you doing here?
Hello, I'm Kani G.
Kani G.
Let's play together. Don't talk so much. Okay, let's choose the character together.
I remember seeing you at lunchtime in the hall playing that game with our little astronauts. What was it about?
Yes, it's about because playing game. Now this game, it's kind of called Tough Cookie.
Tough Cookie?
Yes, Tough Cookie, it means like you're trying to challenge someone or challenge a teacher and can play anything, any game can be. This time we were thinking it was fun to play Mario Kart. So that's why we're thinking, oh, everyone would like to challenge the teacher. So in this way, they will try to, kind of engage together with us and play together with us.
I see. But what it has to do with English?
Ah, very good question. Now this one, I think we were trying to engage the students together to learn English from different way. Like we can learn English from playing games as well. So English everywhere.
Oh, English everywhere. I like this idea.
Yes. No more questions. Let's start. I have to beat you today. I can choose
Never. I will beat you.